Hi everyone, my name is Leilani Lopez. This is Unit 3, Chapter 5, Reflection and Design Communication. Today I'm going to talk about the 6 principles of design. This is my presentation. First, we have a focal point emphasis. Focal point emphasis is created by visually reinforcing something we want the viewer to pay attention to. Focal points are areas of interest the viewer's eyes skip to. This is the focal point, is the red square. A shift in a color can create a focal point in the design. In this image, your eye should be drawn to the square. It is different shape and color from the other elements. And the next one is the bird emphasis by isolation. In this photo, the lone bird on the bottom wire is made the focal point by means of isolation. Although all the birds appears to be undefined shapes, the isolated bird draws the viewer's eye. Next is contrast. Contrast refers to the arrangement of opposite elements and effects. For example, the light and dark, the color and the texture, the smooth and rough texture, large and small shapes. In this image is when an element in a design or piece of artwork differs from the other elements. The whole black and white photo except her eyes, crystal yellow eyes contrast from the black and white background. The focal point is her eyes because it is the only thing that has color in the entire photo, and you see it right away. And this other image is, you can see the shading, the dark and the light. My next one is balance. The way in which the elements in visual arts are arranged to create a feeling equilibrium in a work of art. Balance either symmetrical or asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance is when the weight of element is evenly divided on either side of the design, whereas symmetrical balance uses scale, contrast, and color to achieve the flow in design. The next one is movement. Movement, the principle of design dealing with the creation of action. As you can see, the movement of these two designs, okay, the color, the strokes, perception, imagination, color of the shading. My next one is rhythm and pattern. Regular repetition or arrangement of lines of shapes to achieve a specific repetitions, effect, or pattern. So you can see this, I think this is kayak. You see the colors, the same color, same shape and different colors. So there's a rhythm. And here is the lines. You can see the rhythm of these lines. My next is unity. Total visual effect in a composition achieved by the careful blending of the elements. These birds have unity because they fly in sequence. These four hands means protect, belief, and faith. Unity is a quality of a wholeness and oneness that is achieved by the proper use of art elements and principles. And these are my references. Thank you for watching for my presentation.